Thirikari ya Jubilee iri na ituge inya iri irahuthira gukuria bururi na President Uhuru Kenyatta ni ambiriirie mihango ya gutigirira ati ni manicietira wega. Waki wa nyumba, irio cia kuigana, ugima wa mwiri na uthondeki wa indo nicio ituge iria President etikitie ni gukuria utonga wa bururi. Mihango ya gucirutithia wira ya mutwara nginya Kajiado kuria gukuruguragio kiganda kieru gia guthondeka thimiti. President akiuria athondeki magoithie thogora wa thimiti.
I come to you and request a further reduction in the cost of cement as part of our collective effort to bring the cost of building materials within the reach of those ready to put their efforts and capital into building new homes and businesses.
President eranira ati thirikari iri na mubango wa gwaka nyumba njega 500,000 gugikinyiria mwaka ukite.
This will strengthen the country because it will make it far easier for us to achieve our target of 500,000 new homes for Kenyans.
Oho ni eranire ati nimekunyitanira na kambuni cia uthondeki wa thimiti niguo kwaramia iganda icio menetiganite ya bururi.
Because in an attempt to reduce cost, we don't have to tax people twice. Ministry of Mining is taxing this plant for their mining. The county government is taxing. We should have one tax, and we share between national government and county government.
We do not want to leave any place of Kenya where our presence is not there. I also urge all business community in Kenya and internationally that the Kenya has the most suitable environment for the government, for your investment, and the government policies are favorable for your investment.
President ekumagaritio ni atongoria matiganite aria mamunyitire baru ihoya-ini riake ria kuria ateti mathingate uthii wa na mbere.
And we're looking forward to working with other sectors to do something similar to reduce the amount of import bill that we have. So mine is to thank Guru, Your Excellency, and his team. I know
we began a spatial planning process of planning this Kajiado County. Kajiado County is the only county close to Nairobi that has space that is able to spur and support your 4 pillars of development.
You've always said that you're going to do this, and you've done it for the benefit of our people here in Kajiado. And I would like to ask you to come to Baringo too and build a factory of this magnitude.
Kitanda chetu ni nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo nawahimiza sisi wote tukiwa nchi yetu ya Kenya tujue ya kwamba hatuwezi chafua mahali ambapo tunaishi, si ndio? Kwa sababu wananchi wanataka maendeleo, tunataka kwenda mbele.
Andu matanyiheire 700 nio mekwandikwo wira kiganda-ini kiu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.
So that's